Shwabangin sedang ya ke khubor, ni kyrpad ipi ki nongpek, ban subscribe ya ke ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, pen yo kloy ki khubor na ke jylla.
Pynrem ko Kongres ya ke Jingjia ke belajar, ya ki Kristan ha Chattisgarh. Haba kren cikilat pathai khubor mene ke sau tarik Kyllalyngkot araja akulai. Bah Ronnie Lyngdoh ulai tu banakaliang ke MPCC, kala thoh su Myntri Rangbah ke jylla Chattisgarh, pakade ben kembat pynshitom ya kitu baroh ki berhenti ha ke jingthombor ya kyrpad Kristan, kiba shong masa ha katei ke jylla. Nakaliang ke seng Kongres kelakar padu yu Amit Shah ubade Myntri korbar bat ia Narendra Modi ubade Myntri Rangbah du kari India bakidei ban pynshitom kitei kibri berhenti hakati ke kam badru ban a jingya dalem ye kidat pat Kristan kibadon hakari India hi baroh kwai.
That indicates that there is no safety, no protection for the Christian minorities for a minuscule population. And I believe it is about 5% of the population of that area. 5%. We don't have the evidence to indicate that political parties are behind this. But then if you look at the atmosphere in the country, where hate speeches are not condemned by the government. So it only emboldens those people, to increase all these hate speeches, attacks on minorities. So we would appeal to the government of India, to all the state governments where minorities are being attacked, to ensure that all those people involved in hate speeches are punished. Yes. If you don't, then it only indicates that there is official sanction to all these hate speeches, all these attacks. So we have not heard anything, say from the ruling dispensation in the center, to condemn such attacks, such hate speeches. So it only indicates that if it is not even officially, unofficially, they are being encouraged. Especially lately what happened in Chattisgarh, where a church was vandalized. And we would like to we would like to condemn this act of vandalism, of atrocities against religious minorities. And we'd like to urge all the authorities concerned, right from the Government of India, Government of Chattisgarh, to take strict action against the culprits and arrest them and punish them as per the law of the land. And we express our sympathy, we share our sorrow with the brethren in Chattisgarh, Jabalpur, who had to face this atrocity, discrimination by the antisocial elements, who've even had the courage, temerity to vandalize a religious place. For the Christian community, that is a very, very sacred place. And this only shows the extent of the hate that is being spread in the country. And that's exactly what our leader, Rahul Gandhi, is trying to ensure, that this hate doesn't spread. Now its spread is come even to the extent of physically attacking the Christian minorities there, vandalizing the church there. Only shows to what extent this hatred has percolated in the country, where minorities who are very vulnerable, who have no means of protection, are being attacked, discriminated upon, physically attacked. So we express, with very deep concern, all these attacks on minorities, and we would like to request the Home Minister of the country, Shri Amit Shah ji, to take action against the culprits and punish them. And we would like to request even our Honorable Prime Minister to ensure that there is protection for the religious minorities, for the Dalits, for the tribals of this country. So we are living in a secular country, where everyone has the right enshrined in the Article 25 of the Constitution, religious freedom. And this only shows that that is being attacked. The Constitution is being assaulted. In fact, we are afraid that we will no longer get protection as per laws and acts enshrined in the Constitution.